Hey, my name is Jesus Castillo, and in this video you are going to learn about dependency injection in Ruby. So what is dependency injection? Well, first we have to understand what's a dependency. So dependency is another object or another class that you need to do what you need to do. So for example, let's say that we have this fruit class and we want to buy fruit. So to do that, we need a store. So what we do is pass the store in. So this is the dependency injection. So you could do this, right? Instead of passing it in, you can do store.new, and that works. But that's not dependency injection. Dependency injection is just when we give the dependency as a parameter, like something like this. Now the benefit of this is that now we can control and change this dependency, this store, and we can give the fruit different kinds of a store. We can have an organic shop, an organic store, regular store, all kinds of stores, including a testing store. So this is why dependency injection is useful. And notice how we are using it here. We are initializing the class by saving the dependency as an instance variable. Then we call it, and we call the method that we want to use from the store. That will be this bananas method. And then we can use the object like this. And we need to pass in the store, and it works. Now there is a gem that's called dry auto inject, and it makes this a bit easier, a bit nicer to do this whole dependency injection thing. And I have an example for you. This is the gem dry auto inject, and here is the code. So the fruit, we have the same class as fruit and store, but now we declare the dependency like this. So first we say dry auto inject, and we have a hash where we say that the store is created like this, store.new. So this store could have parameters or anything else that it needs. And now this knows how to get a store for us when we need it. And now in the fruit class, instead of writing the initialize method, what we do is to include this import. So we import the store object. And now inside our if method, we just call store like this, and then we get the object that we want. And this works the same. So this can be useful to make your dependencies more explicit like this. It's clearly that fruit needs store, and then the way this dependency is created is more centralized. So imagine you have an object that takes a lot of, that is hard to create because maybe it takes 3 or 4 arguments. And you don't have to remember how to create that object every time that you need it. Just have it once in your auto inject container, this color container. And then just include what you need on every class. And that's the dry auto inject gem. And dependency injection explained for you. As you can see, it's not a complex topic. It's the idea that you pass in the dependencies into the class. That's all there is to it. And if you want to change the store, so notice that now we got fruit without the store, but you can change this. You can change it and pass a different store like this. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button for me so I know that you like it. And if you want to keep learning, watch more of my videos now. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and visit my website rubyguides.com. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you in the next video.